Welcome back to the bench. Today let's talk about everyday carry, or what's commonly known as EDC. We're going to be taking a little bench field trip and see what some of the trop employees carry on them on a daily basis. But first, let's look at my EDC. Alright, let's take a look at what I carry on a daily basis. My Trop ID badge, I usually have on a 550 cord King Cobra weave bracelet. Streamlight ProTac 1L, love this little light. Got my keys with a bottle opener. Gerber multi-tool, probably the most used item in my EDC. Glock 26 in a Filster skeleton inside the waistband holster. Handmade wallet. Original SOE EDC belt. Spare mag, 15 rounder. And outside the waistband, Vigitac mag carrier. And my cell phone in an OtterBox armor. That's it. Alright, Andy, dump your pockets.
Hold on one second.
No, dump them now!
Are you filming? I have a ZT knife, a Gerber multi-tool, got a Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 wallet, my 9mm M&P, my cell phone, and my Blackhawk Serpa holster.
Alright, nice. Okay, Pete, dump them.
Alright, everyday carry. My Craftsman multi-tool, including a flashlight. You never know. Alright. Little Columbia backup knife, just in case. Have your OtterBox for your phone. Keys. Trop keys. Trop pen. And on my ankle, Glock 27 at the Santa's Hose store. And you always got to have a couple extra mags around as well.
Alright, Gavin, dump your pockets.
Alright, I have my Emerson Kershaw CQC knife. I have my trusty Glock 19 with the Streamlight TLR 1S. I have a couple extra mags for the aforementioned Glock 19. I have a backup Streamlight ProTac. Conveniently enough, I believe that I have a picture of your wife here. And in my back pocket I also carry this. And that's my everyday carry.
You're a son of a bitch. Alright, Noah, what's your EDC?
Alright, so here is obviously my wallet that I carry every day, my Android phone. Today I'm carrying my 23. Carry that in a Blackhawk Serpa holster. I have my Bastion power block to charge my phone or any of my iPad, anything like that, along with all of the cables, their power cables. My Jeep keys. I have my USB stick for stuff, my Swiss Army knife, my Leatherman Micra, my knife for cutting boxes open. I have my keys with another flashlight. I have my Kershaw Emerson knife. I have my SWAT tee, and then I typically carry a Moleskine or Write Anywhere notebook with a pencil with me. So that's about it. That's actually a little bit light. I missed. Oh, and I forgot. I have my light flashlight that I carry.
Way to work. Hey, Mark, dump your pockets right here, alright?
Oh, I hate you.
What do you got on you today? Explain everything, item by item.
Explain everything?
Yeah.
All my pockets or just my jean pockets?
All your pockets, what's on you currently, not in the bag. Just lay it on that first. What's that?
Bear Grylls Mini Survival.
Nice. What's that?
Columbia River Knife and Tool M16. Knife sharpener on my keys. Lighter. Mini Gerber dime.
What gun are you carrying today?
Glock 17. Flashlight. Cell phone. Wallet. Badge.
Sweet. What holster are you using on that Glock 17 right here?
Safariland, ALS.
Nice. Thank you, Mark.
Wave
Whitney.
feature.
Whitney, dump your pockets.
There's a wave feature on this. Got stuck. Alright, so I'm not gonna do that with these jeans. Knife.
What knife is it?
It's a Kershaw Emerson knife. It's nice and easy. Knife.
Keep going.
Compact. Lipstick. Telephone. Tape.
You are really prepared.
All right, Glenn, dump them.
Alright, got a radio that just fell. Got a Gerber knife, it's very sharp. Got my flashlight. And I got my Glock 19.
Cell phone, keys.
Oh, my cell phone. And my big fat wallet.
Okay, Rob, empty your pockets.
Got my flashlight here. My knife. Glock 26. Phone. Lighter. My badge.
Sweet. Thanks, Rob.
I carry stuff.
All right, boss, what are you carrying today?
All right, so here's what I got. ID badge. Obviously not really much what I carry. Emerson Karambit. Use the Leatherman Wingman multi-tool. Probably the most used to have any item in my pocket. Carry my keys. ASP key defender, so I have some OC and also have some impact option. Nightcore EC1 flashlight. Dual wallets. So a lot of people ask, it's an old crossover habit from my law enforcement days. So I carry my ID and my retired badge in one, all my other pertinence in the other wallet. Let's see, cell phone. Don't get excited. Shield with R5 reactor. Running in a crossbreed mini tuck. And spare magazine in a Raven concealment single mag pouch.
All right, thanks, boss.
You got it.
Now that was a good time. If you would please leave a comment below and tell me what you think is the most valuable piece in your EDC. My name's Ben, and thank you for tuning in to this episode of The Bench.